Hey, what's up? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about AI generated image. If you want to earn money from Freepik using AI generated image, this tutorial is for you. This is the part 2, and already we have published part 1. So please check the description box. You will get the first part. Okay, so let's get started. So we have already generated 10 images for our free pick, and I think you have already watched from the part 1. If not, please check out the description link. You will find the part 1. Okay, so in this tutorial we will upload 10 images, AI generated images on Freepik, and after that we will see and we will wait for the approve. Okay, so okay, now search on Google Freepik contributor, and after that you will find the website Freepik and contributor freepik.com. Definitely you should click this one, and after that you will go to the website, and after that you will see the registration form, so you can easily register with your email. So I have already registered, so that's why I have already entered. Now here is the file options. You can upload, and there are some rules. You should read all the rules carefully, but first of all I want to upload here my previously AI generated 10 images. Okay, so I want to click upload, and you can see the right section for vector, PSD and photos. So a lot of information they are telling about for the vector, PSD and photos. Please read it and hope that you got it. So I want to explain everything for the photos right now, because I have already generated 10 images. So I want to go to the folder AI generated images, and I want to upload 10 images. Okay, so I want to select 10 images, and then I want to click open. Okay, and after that you should wait few seconds, and all images will be uploaded, and after that you just do some process for the submission. Okay, so one file is problem, so I will upload again. So here is the uploading process, and we have uploaded 10 images, and you should click the rename option right here, right area, right here, right. Okay, then after that you will find the option to rename all the file name, and also you can easily put the tag and description. Definitely you should just on created with artificial intelligence, so this is so much important. After that just write which platform you have already used. So we have already used Leonardo for generated our AI, so AI images. So we want to write here, and we want to select this one. After that we just complete all the process like tag, titles and other things. Okay, so we have already put some keywords here, and we want to put some more, and see that title area we have already put the title for the all images, and definitely that's cool. And now we want to submit. After submit, Freepik will give you the notification. Wait for a few days, maybe it's 4-5 days or 20 days for the AI generated images, and after that you will get the notification if your if all the images will approved, you will get the congratulation message. So we will wait. Okay, after 5 days we got a mail from the Freepik, and congrats, your researchers have been published. So finally we have done and we did it. So our AI generated images already published on AI, and the big good news is all the images goes to the premium section. So this is very cool. And right now lots of designer want to publish their design on Freepik, and they are earning lots of money. So you should create AI generated images with some AI tools like Leonardo, Midjourney, or something like that. So this is very good news, I think. And if you think that this video is very helpful, please like and share this video, and please subscribe this channel, and definitely I will share more and these kinds of tutorial, and definitely you can make money easily. So thank you so much and take care. Bye.